Good morning, besties.
Good morning, besties. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is 6:43 a.m., so it's early. And we are pulling for day 20, and we're also going to pull for day 21 because tomorrow I have a content video going out, and it is going to be really good. So do not miss tomorrow's video. Don't miss today's either. Okay, good morning. My guy is here. He's going to pull for day 20, you guys. He just had to get in on the action.
Good morning, besties.
Don't call them besties.
Oh, day 20. What is this?
What is it? You have to take the card out first.
Oh, that's what.
No, don't show it to him because you didn't take the card out.
I'm like,
don't say that out loud. Do not say that.
You have to read it.
Okay. It is Labo Tonka 25. It is a liquid balm. Okay, hold it up so it focuses. There you go. So it is Tonka by Labo. This is number 25. And I believe, I don't think I have this one. This is a warm spicy. Okay, let's open it up and smell it. It's like a roller balm, I believe.
Is it unisex?
Yes. What does it smell like? Oh, wait a minute. Roll it.
That's just me.
That don't smell good. Hold on. Labo is not known for bad fragrances, so. Is it a fragrance? It is a fragrance. Wait, let me see. Labo 25 has notes of musk, cedar, tonka bean, orange blossom, and vanilla. Oh, I don't know if I like this. This is what the ball looks like, you guys. It is a roller ball. It is a kind of roller ball that I do like if I did prefer one. It is more of like the silver metal kind, if you could see that there. You see, it's the silver, not the plastic, which is better for you, better for the environment as well. However,
It's growing on me.
it's not growing on me. I don't know if I like this. Do you like it?
That means I can take it then, right?
Oh, wait. Okay. I see. Yeah.
See it growing?
It is growing. Okay, off initial, what do you...
No, it actually opened up.
I don't know. Something in the beginning. I don't know if it's because it's coming out of that plastic or whatever the heck. It's not giving.
It tastes smells completely different than when I first put it on.
It smells completely different?
Smell it on this side. And it smells this side.
Yeah. Yeah. The woodiness is coming through. Okay. All right. Well, that is day 20. We are pulling for day 21 as well. Day 21. And this is... Oh, I have this. Okay, I already used this. Oh, this is good. I'm putting this in my travel bag. This right here is by Bobbi Brown. You guys, I have this. I use this already. It is like a face moisturizer. I put this on before my makeup. I put it on the days that I'm just chilling in the house, wanting to put like a moisturizer. It's a face base. You can use it for under your makeup, under your eye. However, I use it for dual purposes. I use it under my eyes. I use it as a face moisturizer. And then a lot of times when I'm doing my makeup and I'm not going to be out very long, I do use this. Other than that, I'll use like a face primer and my, what else? Oh God, what do I use when I go out in the daytime for my skin? What's it called?
SPF.
Yeah, sunscreen. God, I can't even talk in the morning. Anyway, sunscreen. Okay, you guys, that is it. Dave, thank you so much for helping me this morning. Do you want to say bye to the growls and the guys?
Bye, growls and guys.
Okay, thank you.
Did I do it like you?
No. Yeah, you did. But I'm going to tell them about something else because, thanks, babe. I have to tell them about something else. You guys, okay, so while I have you here, I want to share with you because the Sephora sale is still going on and it's going to go on until the 24th. So if you have not had a chance to shop and use your 20% off, I am just sharing with you a few things that I picked up really quickly. I did go in, as I stated in my last video, and I did pick up Scarlet Poppy. This is by Jo Malone. I featured this in a Reels a couple of days ago. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you head over and follow me. It's really fun over there. But anyway, so yeah, so this is Scarlet Poppy. A lot of you referred this and told me, Shrey, you should pick it up. It's really good. It's a floral, it's sweet, it's vanilla. It's got some iris, some musk, some amber. It is really a beautiful fragrance. It's got some fig, heliotrope, orris. It's a beautiful fragrance. Longevity, I will say, I mean, come on now, it's Jo Malone. But in all honesty, it's not bad, you guys. I believe it gave me a good 4 or 5 hours. I'm still letting that Tonka stuff dry down. If you have Tonka 25, let me know. It may be an amazing fragrance, but this liquid balm, I'm confused with. It's not giving. It's just not giving. If you have one of these or have tried one of these, let me know. If you have tried Tonka 25 in this formulation of, do you see where it says like liquid balm? Let me know, because it doesn't smell the best to me. There's something in there that I see trying to peek through that does smell really good. Very woody and kind of musky. But yeah, back to Scarlet Poppy. I feel that this is a great fragrance. I'm going to spray a little bit just so I can familiarize myself, but I've been wearing it. Oh yeah. It's good, it's fresh, it's sweet, it's inviting, dare I say a little tiny bit, in the tiniest manner. I would say sexy, but not really sexy, more like clean, pretty girl aesthetics, clean, button-up, polished, you know, aesthetic, but very nice. Girl, guy, I don't know if it's a unisex fragrance, but you already know how I feel. Man, woman, boy, child, human. Yes, it is. It is a unisex fragrance. Everything should be unisex. People should be able to wear what they want, okay? So I said it here. Man, woman, boy, child, human can pull up and rock this. I think this is really good. This would be good for a holiday party. If you wanted to go in and just smell really good, that would be good. And so I had been pairing it with this too. I told you guys I was going to pick this up. This is the Nest body oil. I've been going crazy over the body oils lately. I have a body oil video coming up of all the body oils and body shimmers that I have in my collection, and I'm going to be rating them. I do have a lot of them, and I will tell you there is one that nobody has compared to. But this Nest perfume oil, it's Madagascar vanilla. This is really good, you guys, and the reason why I say that is because it's very fragrant. When I actually put it on, it really does smell like vanilla, but it smells like a little bit better than vanilla. It's Madagascar vanilla. I don't know what the Madagascar is. Don't even let me make it up and act like I do, but it's good. It's sweet. It's not like that cake vanilla that you get in some fragrances that just smell like cake or smell like too sweet. This one smells like a perfume oil. It smells like an oil that's very fragrant, and it smells like a good perfume. I have worn this on its own. It has a little dropper. Let me show you. I have worn this on its own, and then I have also worn it, so you just drop it like that. Girl, don't be making a mess, and you just rub it in. The consistency is really nice. You know, I didn't rub it all the way in because I did want you to see that there. And I'm ashy. I can always use some oils and lotion. It's early, you guys. After my shower last night, I did glaze up and lather the body up. I told you, if you don't go to bed shining, you ain't going to bed right. You have to go to bed shining. I shine from head to toe, especially the décolleté area and the neck area, ladies. So anyways, yeah, that is what this is for. I love this. Now here, I will say this. They will tell you that this is not a part of the sale, or that's what she told me originally. But then when I went up, I said, well, it didn't say it excluded anywhere. And she said, well, you know what? We're going to honor it because it is a perfume. It is a full bottle. So we are going to honor it. So you know how she is over here. Don't be making stuff not make sense. And then the other one that I picked up, I had the small bottle, but I told you guys as soon as the sale was gonna come again, I was gonna pick up a full-size bottle. This is not new, but it is really good. And this is by Sol de Janeiro. I have the complete set now. Remember, I told you guys I was gonna pick this up. This is a full bottle of the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 62, I believe is how you say it. Now this is really good too. This is vanilla caramel. It's kind of sweet, it's nutty, it's woody. It's got some fruity notes in it. I believe it has pistachio, almonds, heliotrope, caramel, sandalwood, salt, and vanilla down in the base. This is sexy. Now this is what I put together. I paired this Nest oil with both of these that I have shared with you thus far this morning. I paired it with the Scarlet, oh, I love the accent, Scarlet Poppy, as well as this Cheirosa 62 by Sol de Janeiro, and both combinations did not disappoint. They are really, 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 really good. I love this. If you want to go to bed smelling like a gourmand snack, get your Bum Bum cream, the one in the orange, put that all over you, lather up with the body. I do the body scrub from this brand. I do the body wash from this brand. I also do the Bum Bum cream, and then I have the hair mist, body mist, and then I spray this on. And I'm telling you, you're going to smell amazing. This would be fabulous this for like a date night, going out, spending the night, waking up next to somebody. Good morning, Twilight. Good morning. Good morning. You guys, today is going to be an amazing day. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. I am speaking that into existence right now. I have the power over my day. I choose to make it a positive day, a great day. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Today is Tuesday. On Tuesdays, I typically watch Joyce Meyers. I love Joyce Meyer, and I start my day with her. I have some editing to do. I look all types of crazy right now. I have some videos to get out, more videos coming. I'm super excited. There is this one fragrance, you guys, that I have been playing with. I spoke about it briefly in, I believe, yesterday's vlog, yesterday's video, and it was so good. I only have a sample of it, but it will be coming home with me. I picked it up, or I was sent it by Twisted Lily. Oh, you guys, I have partnered with Twisted Lily as well. I do have a discount code. I'll leave that down in the description box below. You can get your discount, you can get your discount with Cheirosa 10, but also they have full-size bottles and they have samples. You know I love bringing you brands where you are allowed to try before you buy. They had samples as low as like $4. This is the fragrance that I'm talking about. I've been talking about it like crazy. You already know how I am. You're about to see this fragrance or this little sample in every video. It is called Frustration. That's the name of the fragrance. The brand is called Blum or Darnge. Okay, let that go. Let that go, girl, because you can't say it. So many of you had told me about this brand over from TikTok, and I tried to reach out and get some samples, but I don't know what happened. They never showed up. But this right here is so super good. Now this is sexy. This is what the sample looks like, and you can tell I am holding on to this sample. Is my camera thing dirty? Excuse you. Hold on, you guys. I'm happy this is vlog style. There's family over here right now. It's just family. It's just family. You know, the family shows up for the vlogs now. This is what the brand looks like. You see the fragrance is called Frustration. And like I said, I'll put the name there. You'll probably know what it is. It's very popular. It was hugely popular on TikTok, is where I've seen a lot of people talk about it, and a lot of you came over from TikTok telling me about it. This is sexy. This is rum. It's cumin, cinnamon, vanilla. It has some labdanum in it, chestnut, bourbon vetiver. It is also sexy. Perfect for fall and winter. It is more like a gourmand type of fragrance. It is just uber good. It's a niche brand. It's a niche house. I believe it retails for $249 or $39 for the full bottle. You may be able to now I can't talk. You may be able, you know, my water bottle is right here, okay? It's time to drink some water. But you may be able to pick this up in a full-size bottle at Twisted Lily, or even get yourself a sample and just use my code of Cheirosa 10 for a 10% savings, which is always nice. I'm always happy to save anything off on fragrances. That is it, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Those are the fragrances that I have been playing with, that I picked up at Sephora. I'll have all the Sephora information in the description box below, because I believe you can order online. I believe you can order right to your door. You can do curbside pickup. Use the code fragrance20. I believe if you're going to order online in store, you can just tell them about it, but remember, it is just a one-time use. So if you have already used it, you may not be able to use it again, or you won't be able to use it again. Like I stated, it's a one-time use, but these are some ones that I picked up and I could not be happier. They are really good, so I would highly recommend. I had to bring them home and play with them before I recommend them to you guys. So yeah, I did love this. This was my pickup. I picked up some makeup and a whole bunch of other stuff, child, girl, guy, but anyways, these were the fragrances that I picked up. Everything else I really had. Oh, I didn't share with you guys. I did pick up some other stuff, but they were re-ups. Like I picked up another Kayali vanilla Kayali Eden Juicy Apple 01. I picked another one up because I killed the first bottle, and then I picked up some other stuff, but they're all re-ups. But these are the brand new ones that I did not own full bottles of in my collection that I picked up. So have an amazing day, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to check out tomorrow's video because it is going to be good. As always, you are loved like cooked food. Until next time, besties. Oh, I want to do this AMSR style. I'm trying to still work on that video. Until next time, besties, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, dwellings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.